Good afternoon, everyone, and I'm Sandra from Esri Hong Kong. And once again, thank you, Hong Kong River, for inviting us to introduce our ArcGIS solution for content data environment. Yeah, so first of all, we have a short introduction about Esri Hong Kong, and we are a homegrown company that provide GIS product and state-of-the-art GIS platform for our clients. And also, we have our technical team to provide operational service and also training to our customers and help them to have a good adoption on GIS technology. So, as a CD current data environment, and we also is a GIS, which is a geographic information system vendor, we emphasize on the spatial data. And our CDD is built on a free system we already emphasize. So the first one is about the system of record. So what is system of record? And we think that system of record is about to manage all the data, no matter it's spatial data or non-spatial data on our platform. It's a single source of truth. And the second system is about the system of insight. So in our GIS platform, we have plenty of spatial analysis function that I will later introduce to all of you. And we have this function to analyze this data and convert all our data to the decision-making tools that help us to continue our project. And lastly, we added a system of engagement. So as a system of engagement, we emphasize on sharing our GIS information to different parts of the project teams and also our clients. So with our system of engagement, we share this data through web browsers or other applications. So as a CDE, ArcGIS CDE, we integrate all types of data, the forest of data. So the first type of data, of course, we emphasize on spatial data because we will use map to manage all these data. For the spatial data, we always emphasize when it's related to construction is about the big data. So later I will have a short description on how we can integrate big data on GIS. And also we have a 3D model, which is about a kind of city model and building model to help us to simulate the real world environment of the construction project. And furthermore, we can also integrate with the sensor and the real-time data from the IoT. This information we know that is very important for a project because sometimes we do some passive monitoring and we will get real-time data to manage. And of course, we also manage the non-spatial data, so which is we recognize as a document or some kind of data we will use to manage the project. And we could also include this data into our GIS. So with these capabilities, and we believe that our CDE could create a very information context to all of our users. So in our ArcGIS concept, we think that this context is built on the city information modeling. In the case of CDE, we give the 3D environment of the city and simulate on our CDE platform. And we also use the landscape information modeling, which maybe will generate it from a remote sensing information, satellite image, and also terrain model, and we give a very holistic picture in 3D model of the natural landscape. And furthermore, in recent years, we always emphasize on the network information modeling on ArcGIS, which means we can integrate underground network modeling on our CDE to give a very comprehensive picture of the real world. So for the BIM model, I have a slide as an example of how we could use our BIM model on the GIS. So when we import the BIM model in the GIS, we could seamlessly reserve all the features and also the attributes. So in the left-hand corner, you see that we could do the BIM slicing, visualize all the details in your design, and also other type of items of the BIM. And this is a very smooth actions, and you can all do this on that browser. And further, just visualize BIM. You always think that you integrate BIM data with the cost and the time. So we always present one enhanced in asset, with a 5D visualization, or even a 6D. And we hope that we could enhance the add value to our model data. So apart from storing the data and analyze data, we also think that sharing data is very important in CDD. So in ArcGIS, we also have an open platform, and we want to share this data with others for API. Our customers can use this data for API, and also we can have multiple kind of scripting, coding that help the users to develop their application with our GIS. So for the EIS CDE, we think that it's very important to integrate with models. And because in ArcGIS, we also always emphasize on how ArcGIS integrates with team. So in our perspective, we think that GIS is the leading role in asset operation and management. So we do regulating and permitting, and we give a context for the master planning. So in the next stage, we will be a platform to have BIM users to navigate the BIM model, and design, and also help them to manage the construction process, with integrated with other kind of spatial and non-spatial data. And finally, we will use this back to the GIS again and do the continuous monitoring and enforcement for the property management. So, as a little wrap up the middle of the presentation, and as a common data environment, we think that ArcGIS would give a single source of truth, and also a single platform for different stakeholders in project to interact with each other, communicate with each other with a standardized channel and platform. So then we have a unified workflow, and you could keep up and ensure the integrity of the project data. So in this next session, I will focus on how our ArcGIS solution is taken to the standard CDE workflows. So we recognize that it is very important to guarantee the data integrity, to guarantee the data securities on CDE. So for this, we have a policy which is focused on the user effect. And this policy is applied on the web application, whether it's a cloud application or it's an on-premise application. So this is really easy to apply to deploy, for example, with a high level of users, as they have offering capabilities that can use an administrative role or to control whose parties can access to the data. And for the people who have a lower level, they will only edit some part of the data, and they will be afforded to create another necessary documents. And for some other people, for people who is not within the project group, they will only need to have abilities to view the data instead of doing editing. So we could keep all these data in the format we decide. So another key functionalities I would like to talk about is how our different kind of functions to help our users to maintain the work in progress workflow. So for example, for the content categories, we can classify the documents by the different workflows from the check, approval, and also for the review. And we can also identify these documents from different users, as they are from the task team, they're from the engineering needs, or they are from the consultants. And also we can classify this information by the user field, because we know that in one project they have different project team members, and we will need to have a user group to identify which group of people can access to which documents. And other people outside this group can access to this document. So we can guarantee the security of the data and afford the necessary changes on the data. So apart from the security, we also talk about the document versioning. And on ArcGIS, we upload data and we could research the historical information of the data. So as you can see that we will keep the date and the status of the document, and also we keep the authorization code of the document. And for a broader scale, we have a project program that will classify all these data and documents in a calendar view. We can generate a table to have a summary to help us understand the overall progress of the project. So this is following slides to provide some example of how we can implement CDE on some of the construction system or essential system. So for example, recently we always want to explore about how we could apply our ArcGIS CDE on a smart site management system. So as you can see that there's a big model and the left-hand side, this is what we import the model to our web browser. So in ArcGIS, we could seamlessly import open format, the big model from our browser, and then we could do different kind of exploratory analysis, like to do the slicing to visualize the design, or we could do the file markup to give some comments on the project. And then we could also synchronize these comments to our dashboard. So the dashboard is waiting for a single interface that lets us learn all the important information. Another example is about the digital work supervision system. So in this system, always we want to deploy our portable device and also the portable solution that help our field workers. They could have a channel to provide information to their back-end office. So here you can see that sometimes for AWS, as we always want our workers or workers to submit a request of insertion form. So here is about using our web application. It's an ArcGIS layer 2.3. So it's a mobile application that allows us to submit information. And finally, we have a dashboard to have our project managers to do the approval process. So due to the time limitation, I will just share some of the key features of ArcGIS CDE, and I hope you give you more information and have I wanted to hear more about you on the comments. Please feel free to reach us. Yeah, thank you very much.